In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a side hustle by flipping items that you already own. We'll guide you step by step through the process of decluttering and selling, finding those hot selling niches, sourcing products effectively, and scaling your efforts into a profitable venture. First, let's consider the items already around your home. Declutter your space by identifying clothes, furniture, and gadgets that you no longer use. Once you've gathered these items, you can sell them to generate free starting capital. It's not only a great way to earn some quick cash, but also a chance to clear up your living space and give unwanted items a second life. Now, on to finding profitable niches. As we look forward to 2024, some categories consistently in high demand include electronics like phones, laptops, and gaming consoles. Furniture items such as chairs, tables, and couches are also popular. Fashion items, particularly sneakers, branded bags, and sportswear, find eager buyers. Don't forget about kids' items like toys, clothes, and strollers, as well as home goods and appliances ranging from blenders to cookware. These are all reliable categories that tend to sell quickly. Once you've identified your niche, let's focus on sourcing products to flip. Thrift stores and garage sales can be gold mines for discovering hidden gems at low costs. Buy these cheap and sell them at a higher price. Then, there's the option of working with wholesale suppliers to buy in bulk and sell individually. Clearance or discount sales from major retailers also present opportunities for retail arbitrage, where you can snag deals and resell at a profit. And let's not overlook free items that people often give away when they're moving. Creating professional listings is crucial to attracting buyers. The key here is to use clear, bright photos that show the product from multiple angles. Composing catchy titles like new Samsung Galaxy S21 fast sale can capture attention. It's important to include the price, condition, size, and whether you offer pickup or delivery options. Honesty is also essential. Trust established with buyers leads to repeat business. Boosting your sales involves sharing your listings regularly with local buy-sell groups and renewing unsold items every 7 days to keep them visible. Consider offering delivery options or bundling discounts to entice more buyers. Next, know how to manage your buyers like a pro. Fast response times to inquiries and a courteous approach to negotiation, while sticking to your bottom line, are vital. Ensure that meetups are arranged in safe public spaces and be flexible with payment methods, accepting options like cash, Gcash, PayPal, and bank transfers. Finally, as your side hustle grows, focus on scaling. Keep track of which items sell the fastest and double down on those. Reinvest your profits into higher value flips such as electronics or furniture. Building a strong reputation with positive reviews will make future sales easier as you aim to scale your hustle into a more significant income stream. By following these steps, you're on the path to transforming your unused home items into valuable investments and building a thriving reselling business.